resources, and I do not support it. And honestly, I might even move somewhere which actually manages energy better, and I'm serious.
That's good. Very good. Very good, baby. Very good.
Take the petition forward. All your individual societies, get them to sign. The numbers matter.
Yes.
Thank you. If you all permit, thank you all for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I just need to say, I'm appealing to
commercialization of the space or any encroachment on it, and there we can see plenty of it already there. One of the biggest things which is happening is this LED lights plan. 35 LED lights ads were going to be put here, but because the people got annoyed and they kind of expressed their anger and we collected signature campaign, it has been stopped for the time being, but we don't know for how long. We wish that whatever this other further plans, they should be cancelled and scrapped. There should be no more. This food plaza also we had a little objection because it was encroaching on the space for walkers. So all these things are collectively bringing down the aesthetics of our beautiful promenade. So please stay away.
You want to?
We are gathered here to bring attention to the administration, the government of Maharashtra, the Maritime Board and BMC. This place is a public place. Promenade has been used for decades and it has been beautified over the times. And this space is specifically meant to be kept open for the public to use. And now, lately, we have been seeing for the last few years that commercialization has been taking place. A lot of things are happening on this promenade, and now the latest one is that the 35 LED lights, huge LED lights, are going to be installed here by the Maritime Board. I suppose it's some public-private partnership in which they have signed an agreement, which I came to know. And BMC License Authority has issued licenses for the display of LED light. This has been objected by all citizens along with me. I as a municipal councillor, I do object to this thing because there are some places which have to be kept aloof. They should not enter that arena. It is for the public. It has to be used by the public. The promenade is supposed to be a place where people will come, whether it's near the sea or any other place, and it has to be used by the public. So we object to it, and this public protest is for that reason. We have gathered here today at Carter Road Promenade, and we object to it. I, as a municipal councillor, I do object to it. I am not from this ward, but I do object to it because it's not a question of which ward this thing is. This is against the ethics of BMC, plus the government. What they are doing is against this. Commercialization, there are many places which they can earn their commercialization. Whatever they want to do, they can do. But please leave the promenade alone. That's what we request. Thank you.
Sheikh, everybody chose to speak in English, so I'll just speak little bit in Hindi. कि आज हम यहाँ पे सब जो जमा हुए हैं कार्टर रोड के पास में, यहाँ पे मुंबई मैरीटाइम बोर्ड ने 35 LED होर्डिंग्स लगाने का परमिशन दिया है. सो मुझे तो जो मुंबई मैरीटाइम बोर्ड के जो मंत्री हैं नितेश राणे जी, उनसे एक सीधा सीधा सवाल है कि कमर्शलाइजेशन के लिए आप लोग परमिशन दे रहे हो, लोगों को जो यहाँ पे लाइट्स नहीं है, प्रॉपर यहाँ पे गड्ढे पड़े हुए हैं, सिक्योरिटी नहीं, उसके लिए कुछ काम करोगे तो बांद्रा के लोग आप लोगों के साथ खड़े रहेंगे. हम सब अलग अलग पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से आते हैं, यहाँ के लोग सब जिसको जो वोट देना वो देंगे, बट आप कुछ अच्छा काम करोगे तो हमारा भी वोट आपके साथ होगा. पर अगर आप ऐसे LED होर्डिंग जिसके वजह से क्लाइमेट को इफ़ेक्ट पड़ता है, एनवायरनमेंट को इफ़ेक्ट पड़ता है, अगर ये चीज़ आप लोग करोगे तो बांद्रा के लोग आपके साथ नहीं है. मेरा सीधा सीधा सवाल यहाँ के आमदार श्री आशीष शेलार जी से है, यहाँ की नगर सेविका स्वप्ना मात्रे जी से है कि क्या आपको इस चीज़ के बारे में पता था या नहीं था. अगर आपको नहीं था तो यहाँ के सारे लोग बांद्रा के निवासी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि प्लीज़ ऐसे LED लाइट्स यहाँ पे नहीं लगाएं. हमारे यहाँ पे इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है, कैरन जी है, रहबर जी है, आसिफ ज़करिया जी थे. सबका एक ही चीज़ है बोलना कि उनको लोगों के साथ रहना है, जो लोगों की बात सुनना है, उनको एलईडी लाइट्स नहीं चाहिए। अगर आपको एलईडी लाइट्स लगानी है, एनवायरनमेंट ख़राब करना है, लोगों की हेल्थ से खेलना है तो आप कर सकते हो, पर बैंड्रा को ये चीज़ नहीं चाहिए। आई होप एवरीबडी एग्रीज विथ इट। थैंक यू सो मच। वी नीड क्लीन प्रोमेनाड।
Yes.
We need we need ad-free promenade. We don't want commercialization. Yes. And lastly, I would like to thank you everyone whoever came here. Thank you. Please clap for yourself. And I just ask